Terve kaikki, welcome back to sawfinland.com. Today we talk about how you can practice Finnish language for free. This will also help you for the preparation of your UKE test. Visit sawfinland.com and click on this practice Finnish daily multiple choice questions. Here you will see a list of multiple choice questions about days, numbers, greetings and introduction, Finnish pronouns, Finnish vocabulary, Finnish conversation. Alright, let's start with the Finnish pronouns. Just click on there and you see here you see a list of questions to practice. What does Sina mean? Just Sina. Is it she? What does me? Is it we? So you can just click on everything and get down and check answers. So you will get the correct answers. And also you will get to know your score. So my score was 1 of 15. After you do the test, please write in the comments how many attempts it took for you to make all the questions correct. And remember, you can practice as much as you can. Just refresh the page and practice again. So you can also directly click from here you see. And if you get confused, like you can also click on the module 1, module 2. If you click here, you will get to the contents like learn Finnish greetings and introduction. So you can just click here and brush up your knowledge about Finnish language. But just test your knowledge, how good you are at Finnish. Here is a list of multiple choice questions. Just click on it. And remember, the good thing is like water, vesi. You click maito, kavi, meu, so you get to know other words also. And then just here the check answers, you see? Incorrect. So you will also get the correct answer what is there. It is a good way to practice. So remember to visit sawfinland.com every day. We try to update these posts daily. And please do let me know in the comments what more things you would like to see on sawfinland.com. Our next post will be about UKE test. The UKE test is on May 24th or 25th, something like that. So we will make some practice material for the UKE test. Till then, keep subscribing, keep visiting. If you click on the YouTube, so Saw Finland has its own YouTube channel also. So please do subscribe on YouTube also. Alright, see you in the next video. Have a good weekday. Have a good Finnish language practice. See you. Bye bye.